Hello and welcome to your Glow course with me, Priya. The forehead is a big muscle starting from the front of the face to the back of your neck. And then these muscles are connected all the way down to your lower back. We are going to concentrate on body warm-up exercises along with forehead exercises to improve your posture and strengthen your spine as well. Align yourself, roll your shoulders back, take a deep breath in and out of your nose, stretch your hands out, interlace your fingers, place them at the back of your head, move your elbows in towards one another, gently push your neck down. Try to touch your chin to your chest, keep breathing in and out of your nose and hold for 10 seconds. Keep breathing, keep holding, breathe, hold, come out of the pose, relax. Let's do this one more time. Interlace your hands, place them behind your head, move your elbows together, move your head down. Let's do this one more time. Place your palms on the side of the head and apply gentle pressure. Relax your face and massage in circular motions towards the back of the head 10 times. 1, 2, 3, keep breathing. 4, 5, 6, keep your neck relaxed. 7, 8, 9, 10. Now change the direction towards the front of your head. Be gentle and completely relax yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come out of the pose and start gently pinching the same area for 10 seconds. Pinch, be gentle, smile, relax. Come out of the pose. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Interlace your fingers and place them on top of your forehead. Apply pressure and start to move your hands from side to side 10 times. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now move your hands up and down 10 times. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep your neck and shoulders relaxed. Move your hand on top of your head and gently move from side to side to the count of 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now move it front and back to the count of 10. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come out of the pose and smile. Take 4 fingers and place them flat on your forehead above your eyebrows. Open your eyes wide, fix your gaze at a point and gently start to squeeze your eyes for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Close your eyes for 3 seconds. Now open your eyes as wide as possible and hold for 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, shoulders relaxed. 5, 4, 3, keep breathing. 2 and 1. Come out of the pose and smile.